Yo, what's up, guys? It's Wrath here. Today we're gonna be unboxing a webcam that my girlfriend got me for Christmas. It's the Tiny 2 from OBSBOT. She got me a combo, and it comes with like a tripod, a mic, and different things. It looks pretty cool, in my opinion. It even comes with a remote. I was like super psyched about that. It's super cool. It's like USB. You plug it in, and then you just control it all from there. So it's got like track, close up, hand gestures, because this webcam you can look at it while you're streaming or whatever, playing, messing around, making a video like this, and you can go like that and it'll zoom in and everything. You can set it to follow you around the room, whatever you want. Yes, I know my Christmas tree is still up. That's fine. Christmas is not over till January hits. But anyways, I wanted to show y'all this because it looks insane. So if you talk about everything this thing can do, like, it's AI powered 4K webcam, all that. It's got voice control, motion tracking, hand gestures, all of that. Um, it's insane how tiny it is. It's crazy because it's called the Tiny 2, but it really is tiny. Like, look at this thing. All right, so I'm gonna open it. Check this out. Let me show you all this. So you open it, and it comes with a little thing. It says like new era of webcam. All right, and then you open it up, and it comes with like a carrying case and stuff. So check this out. It's like a little carrying case. It's pretty cool. And this is the part that really like. This is the part that got me. This is insane. Check this out. Look how tiny this thing is. Look at that. Look at that. Look how tiny that is. It's just a little. Look at that. That's crazy. Look at it. It literally could look at it compared to the size of my mic or something. It's insane. So it's got a magnetic base. That's one of the first things I noticed about it. It comes with this for, say you wanted to mount it on your monitor or whatever. You can mount it to a tripod and stuff, which she got me a tripod too. It's actually super cool. I'll show you all that too. But this, I really wanted to take a look at this. This was really cool. So it's not made one of those like it's not a cheap plastic. Listen to that. Like they put time and effort into this. So you got your traditional like little mount, right? So it opens up, right? It'll even like open, extend, like all that stuff. So let's say you wanted it higher or lower or whatever. But this is the part that blew me away. Watch this. So all of it is simply magnetic. It's on, it's stable, and then you just move it around and stuff. I don't know how stable or how strong the magnets are. I'm not gonna lie to you, so I'm not gonna like wave it around or anything like that. That would be insane. I'm not trying to break this thing. I will have another video coming out where I actually show y'all like the quality and all that and how everything works and stuff. For the most part. But I just wanted to do like a quick little reveal of like what it looks like and what came in this combo. So you got that. You got that remote. It actually came with a mic, which is cool in this combo. She went all out. Shoot. Oh, look at this. It's like an omnidirectional mic that plugs in. You can lay it anywhere, and it's it's good for if you want to do like a stream in your kitchen or something. You want to do something, I don't know, somewhere other than your desk where your main mic is. It's a pretty good idea. So if y'all have anybody and you plan on getting them the thing, I don't know how much more it was for this, but it's a cool little bundle, and it honestly it gives you like that sense of I want to create, you know what I mean, kind of thing. Um, but check this tripod out. So I had already opened the tripod. I'm not gonna lie to you, I already opened it. I wanted to see like what it looked like, what it felt like. But check this out. So you open it, right, and it's two pieces. So you have this main piece, and you have this, right. Check this out. Okay, look at that, like a nice, like like a tripod, but it's like completely made of metal. Like it's sturdy. But look at this. Look how long it ends up being. Like look at this. Pull, rotate to click it, rotate to click it, rotate to click it, rotate to click it, and now look at that. Look how tall that actually is. Look at that. It's a damn baton. I could what? No, I'm just kidding. But it's super cool. I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty sweet. I'll give it that. Like it's pretty cool. It's pretty sturdy. You just connect it on here, and boom, you got a little tripod. You can do it as a small tripod for your desk, whatever you want. It's pretty sweet. Nice. Like really good quality stuff. I'm not gonna lie, they outdid themselves with this bundle. It's pretty good. And then it's like an extendable tripod ball head. I don't know what the difference is between this and the tip that's already on there. Not the tip. But it might be, so if you want to put it on like another tripod or something, it's like extendable and it like you can move it around and rotate it and angle it and everything. I think that's what it's for. That makes sense. I just explained the product to myself. All right. Anyways, yeah, that's the OBSBOT, and it actually came with something else as a little gift. It came with a little gift, and I was like, "What in the world? Check this out." I was like, "What in the world? Look at this." I'm just go to sleep now. Nah. Anyways, yeah, and also it's USB-C, so it's very low latency. You're not gonna have any issues trying to cast it. You're not gonna have to worry about like, is my movement slow or whatever. Like, it's super cool, and it's an amazing upgrade from what I have right now. Right now, I'm using the Logi Streamcam, which it's not a bad camera, and anyway, Logitech has been great. But I'm excited to see what we can make with this, like what kind of content we can throw out, like not just from gaming, but like maybe like, you know, in the kitchen cooking stream something. It'll follow me around the kitchen, whatever. Like, it just sounds cool stuff, like interesting stuff. But anyways, I hope you all have an amazing rest of y'all's day. Thank you for tuning in. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. If you didn't, let me know what I can do better in the comments. Anyways, guys, I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day, and follow me on all my socials if you don't mind. It's Wrath of Clay. And I hope to catch you soon and maybe hear from your experience with the OBSBOT. Let me know what you think about it. If you personally have it, let me know if there's anything I can do to tweak it, make it a little bit better. Any settings that might, you know, just make it more fun. Anyways, I hope you all have an amazing rest of y'all's day. Have a good one, guys. Bye.